I think one of the reasons why SSEES is such a dynamic place is because, yes, there's world-class research being done, fantastic teaching, but also we engage with lots of audiences outside of the university. So I, as public policy lead, do lots of work in collaboration with colleagues dealing with the UK government, but also officials in the EU, the World Bank, the UN, and lots of other different organisations.
So it's a very broad region. It really stretches from sort of Prague in the west to Vladivostok in the east, from Helsinki in the north to the southeast European cities of Belgrade and Sofia, and also the Central Asian capitals of Astana and Tashkent. It's a highly dynamic region, sort of economically, politically, strategically it's very important. And knowledge of this region is highly sought after by governments, international organizations, law firms, financial institutions, the media, because having a knowledge of not just the discipline but also the regional specificities of Central and Eastern Europe really makes you stand out from your competitors.
So one of the reasons why SSEES is so dynamic is because we as a community, academics and students, are all involved in a particular part of the world, and the research and the teaching that is done isn't just contained within a bubble here. We have impact and engagement that goes outside of the university, and it could be that, for example, in the morning a lecturer is giving a lecture to a room of 200 students, but then that afternoon they're going on BBC News and talking about the country on which they're an expert, but they could also be going into government and giving a briefing to officials in order for them to understand more what's going on in that particular area. So it very much is a dynamic process, it's an iterative process, and students, I think, gain a lot from knowing that their faculty members aren't just stuffy academics who sit in a room all by themselves working in the library. They're engaged all around the world with various different communities.
Here we offer 18 languages from the area, which represent a unique selling point, being the only university in the UK with such a wide range of languages. Our languages support and complement all area studies in our economics, sociology and politics and history departments. We offer single and joint degrees in our languages, as well as combined degrees with the other languages offered at UCL.